Hola! We have had a wonderful year back on campus. Whether we are meeting in person at Allen Hall or working out in the field, being together after going remote for so long has really rekindled student learning and united our community this year. With so many exciting things happening, our 2022 yearbook is the place you can learn about what our students, faculty, staff, and alumni have been up to all year. If you like what you see and want more of it, please consider supporting our students' programs, scholarships, and faculty research with a year-end tax-deductible gift. Our supportive and inclusive community is what makes the SOJC so special. Working together, our faculty, staff, alumni, and donors provide vital support and a valuable network for our students, and our community continues to grow. This year, we hired 4 new faculty members in key fields to keep our students on the leading edge of communication, including digital ethics and platforms, brand responsibility, science communication, and visual storytelling. We also inducted 3 new alumni into our Hall of Achievement and named our 2022 Eric Allen Outstanding Young Alum. What makes our graduates so successful? We believe is the hands-on learning. Our students have been out traveling the globe and working with real-world clients, both at home and abroad. These experiences allow them to practice their skills in real settings as they network with professionals and build a portfolio that will help them land jobs. This summer, students took faculty-directed trips to London, Segovia, Paris, Alaska, and Ghana. Students working on their masters in advertising and brand responsibility collaborated with a creative agency in Ukraine to help connect people there with much-needed resources. Meanwhile, back at home, students developed campaigns for clients like Allbirds and U of O's Women in Flight program. One thing that sets the SOJC apart is our passion for making a difference. We are so proud of our students, faculty, and alumni who are using their skills to make our planet a better place. Take, for example, the journalism students who traveled to New Orleans to report on how communities of color are bouncing back from the disproportionate impact of climate disasters. Or our faculty and PhD students who are engaged in groundbreaking research on important issues like the impact of police body cameras, bias in the language doctors use, and the potential for games to promote social change. And our alumni, as always, are out there winning Pulitzer Prizes, shaking up their industries, and changing the world. You can learn all about the amazing things they are doing in this yearbook. We're changing here at the SOJC, too. We have become a leader in the field of science communication. Faculty and students at our Center for Science Communication Research are using emerging digital tools like virtual reality, podcasts, and apps to help the public understand the science around climate change, health, wildfires, and more. We have also become a hotspot for sports communication and a destination for students who want to become sports journalists, broadcasters, and strategic communicators. Thanks to the U of O strong athletic brand, our students get to cover major sporting events like the World Athletics Championships Oregon 22, one of the biggest on the planet. Around 75 SOJC students got to cover the event at Hayward Field in July. And let's not forget our alumni who are out there making waves as sports broadcasters, brand specialists, MCs, and more. All in all, it's been an incredible year. You'll see for yourself when you browse our yearbook. Don't forget to share it with your fellow SOJC doc. And if you make a donation in support of our students, by December 31st, you may be able to write it off. We can't wait to see what the new year brings. Muchas gracias.